What's up, you guys? In this video, we're talking about one of our Google Ads clients who does roof replacements. And on the screen right now, you're going to see actual lead notifications that he gets in his inbox of form submissions and phone calls for people who are wanting their roofs replaced, right? And on the screen, you should see examples of that, a bunch of them. We want to show you how you can get leads like this and results like this from your own Google Ads campaign if you too also replace roofs, if you're a roofing company. So in this video, we're going to go behind the scenes of our Google Ads dashboard, which you'll see in the screen right now. And we're going to talk about how everything is set up and how he saw these results as well, and hopefully how you can too. And also, if you want us to do all this work for you, then definitely click the link in the description. It'll take you to a friendly, no strings attached discovery call where we'll talk about your goals and help you set this all up for you. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right, so here we are inside of the Google Ads dashboard. And one thing I want to point out first is that they were not spending $600 a day when we were starting in January. In fact, here in the change history, you can see that the roof replacement was changed to around $300 to $400 per day. And then in February, it went down to $75 a day just because they were just getting too many leads and they needed to slow it down a little bit. And that was in February. So I just wanted to point that out. So when it says $600 a day here, that's not what it actually was during the time of this in January. So let's go ahead and start. So in January, they got 481 clicks with a click-through rate of 4.34%. So 11,000 people saw, 4.34% of them clicked. Now, every clicked cost on average $22.88. So it ended up costing them $11,000 roughly. And from that, they got 48 conversions, which means, or leads. Conversions equals leads, basically a form submission or a phone call. And out of those 48, each of those cost $229.27 to get a lead, essentially. And then we had a conversion rate of about 10. And let's go ahead and talk about each lead source. So the first time phone call, they got 18 first time phone calls, and they got no repeat phone calls because we don't track those, because that's fake. We don't track repeat phone calls as conversions. Roof replacement click to call. So this is the call extension. So that was 4. And then lead forms, that was 26. So 26 people filled out the form on our landing page to get, so they would call them back and talk to them about their roof replacement. So that's how well this campaign did in January. Now, just note that this was during a rainy couple of weeks. There was a lot of rain. So if you are in a rainy city or there's a lot of storms, there's always raining, and you want to get in front of those people who have leaks or just need their new roof replaced, then you definitely want to do Google Ads, because you'll get in front of them, and we can do that all for you. Again, just click the link in the description. All right, so let's look at the ad groups here. So the main ad groups that we had were roof replacement, that was a big winner, and roof installation. So keywords like roof replacement companies, roof installation companies near me, roof installation service, stuff like that. Those keywords really work, and those were the two main ad groups that we kept running throughout the campaign, because we found that the other ones were not as good as these. As you can see, roof replacement ad group and all those keywords that have roof replacement in them did a lot better. So 25 conversions, 11 phone calls, 14 form submissions. So that was the bulk of our conversions. Roof installation was second. So 6 first-time phone calls, and then 10 lead submissions, and actually 7 phone calls. So $185 per lead. So yes, it was a little bit cheaper, but we had less conversions. So roof replacement and roof installation, those are really good keyword or ad groups and keywords. Those types of keywords are really good for this type of campaign. One quick note on devices, you guys. We found that a lot of people, we don't want to waste clicks on tablets, because a lot of people in the past we've seen that use tablets don't really ever convert. So we just focus on mobile phones and desktop. So one quick tip is always negative out in devices. Negative 100% bid adjustment for tablets, because we never want to just advertise the tablets. For whatever reason, they just don't convert. So we focus on mobile phones and computers. As you can see, the majority of people in this campaign converted on their mobile device, and 15 converted on desktop. So you can see that there as well. So that's just something to note. A quick tip: if you are running Google Ads, don't do tablets. No one ever converts from there, and if they do, they're probably very expensive. For some reason, that's just how it is. All right, another thing that you guys should all have in your Google Ads campaign are extensions, or now they call them assets. So we really recommend having these because, one, the more assets you have or extensions you have, it makes the ad bigger and your ad takes up more real estate on Google. So one of these, for example, service catalog, or you want to make sure you have the service catalog under structured snippet. You want to put things like roof replacement, roof installation, emergency roof services, stuff like that. So that is actually in your ad on Google. These site link extensions, so these actually go to the landing page. So things that you should have on your landing page are like your reviews, your guarantees, a little bit about your service and about the company itself. Other things you want to call out, or that's a call out asset, is tell them that you have flexible financing, your quick response time, free estimates, and that you're licensed and insured. Those are the things that we showed on our ads as well. So those are things that we can set up all for you here at Instinct Marketing. So if you guys want us to do all of this stuff for you and set up your campaign, keywords, ad groups, conversion tracking, set up call recording, get you those form submissions, get you those phone call leads during the rainy season. If you want us to do all that stuff for you, definitely click the link in the description and you can work with us. So thanks for watching, you guys. My name is Christian Pinedo, manager at Instinct Marketing. See you next time.